Hi everyone, it's still here, your motorbike guy in Hanoi. Today's episode, let's explore the places that even local forget it exists. Hidden spot, real story. Let's go. This is Thành Công apartment complex. It was built in the 80s to house officials and workers at that time. Each row of houses is a block, similar to an old apartment building. But the interesting thing here is it's not just people living there. Underneath is the whole world. Restaurant, drink shop, markets, cafes, all kinds of things. People live, trade, eat. Everything is very real and very local. At glance, it looks so, but it's full of life energy. The vibe this area is completely different from the modern areas. It's close, it's everyday life. Here, the morning is the busiest time. People go to the market. People have breakfast. Sometimes they sit in coffee and chat all day. It's very Hanoi. So, Thành Công Market is the soul of the apartment complex. This is not only a bustling place to buy and sell all kinds of fresh vegetables and fruits. Famous snacks such as vermicelli with snail, banana or bean curd, hot rice cakes, but also a familiar space for people to exchange and chat. Although modern life has changed, the market still retains its simple, familiar feature and is a destination not to be missed. And don't think that Thành Công has only old things. There are still small corners for you to chill. Among the snack shop, you can find small, pretty cafe with vintage style, very suitable for sipping coffee, reading books, and feeling the rare tranquility in the middle of a noisy city. Follow me to the second location. Welcome to Chợ Giời, the flea market. If you lost something in Hanoi, there's a 50-50 chance it's here, already on sale. If Thành Công has the beauty of the nostalgia and the connection, then Chợ Trời, as known as flea market, is a different world. A lively maze of old objects, unique items, and countless hidden stories. Trời is not just a market, but a living museum of seemingly forgotten items. Formed after 1954, when scrap and second-hand traders gathered, this place gradually became a center for buying and selling everything under the sky and under the sea, from old radios, vintage cameras, discontinued electronic components to motorbike and car parts that you can hardly find anywhere else. It's like a giant treasure trove. When every time you come, you might discover something surprising. Cô bán hàng được bao nhiêu năm rồi cô?
Đấy, gần 30 năm.
30 years and she's remember every single thing. What makes Chợ Trời so special is the ability to find things that seem impossible, need a skill for some materials, or a park for a super old motorbike. Chances are you will find it here, nestled among piles of old stuff. Chợ Trời is where the saying "old for others, new for me," where it's most clearly expressed and where old items are given a new life and each item has its own story. Here, time doesn't stop, it just changes form. Old radios, Soviet irons, things your grandpa fixed and your dad forgot. This place is loud, a bit chaotic, but strangely, everything feels exactly where it should be. Now, passing through the flea market, I'll take you to the third destination. Let's go! This is not a souvenir shop. This is where most of the businesses get legit and where the government paper get their power. Number 6 Hàng Quạt Street has been making stamps for over 30 years, before Photoshop, before laser printers, before even me. This stamp might look small, but every one of them sells a story, a house sale, a company dream, a wedding license. In Vietnam, a red stamp isn't just ink, it's authority. A document without it means nothing. Business contract, birth certificates, land deeds all need one thing in common: this little red square. Back in the day, before digital signatures, this was how we proved something was real. And even now, in a city full of QR codes and e-bills, people still come here to get stamped. Look, now I'm officially unofficial. So that's Hanoi Hidden Ride episode 2. More ride like this is coming soon. You know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next route.